we are Team Snappy. Our project is IP classware based hardware prefetching, especially for graph based applications. And my team members are Satvik, Chaitanya, Amit, me, and Vishnu. Hi, we are Team Snappy. Our project is IP classware based hardware prefetching, especially for graph based applications. And my team members are Satvik, Chaitanya, Amit, me, and Vishnu. Yeah, why prefetchers? Prefetchers are basically to boost the execution performance for the applications. And the main job of prefetcher is they fetch the data before it is actually needed. Before even the request from CPU, they fetch the data according to the access patterns so that it can reduce the latency for DRAM access and all. Yeah, bouquet of prefetchers. Yeah, the idea of bouquet is such that a single IP based prefetcher cannot satisfy all the application demands. So every application has its own demands, and according to the access patterns, we need some bouquet of prefetchers to satisfy all the needs. Bouquet proposed by there are basically four types: constant stride, complex stride, global stream, and next line. These are obvious. And regarding the performance of this bouquet for single core, average improvement is 43.5 percentage is approved for different kinds of benchmarks. And we are going to see what about this improvement for the graph based applications. Yeah, we have been provided with 5 graph traces, and for these the provided code shows an average improvement of 8%. 8%. This is calculated using the geometric mean. And why there is only little improvement? It is because the graph based applications, they have highly irregular nature of access patterns. So there is no some observable access patterns for the graph based applications. And here the plots are shown for different algorithms. And the left one is like the brief view of the access patterns for different codes. And the right one is zoom in picture for a particular place. You can see the access pattern is so random that we cannot predict an pattern in it. Yeah.
Now let's discuss about the limitations of this uh, IP-based prefetchers on graph applications. On these graph applications, the memory accesses are very random. They don't follow any spatial locality or most of the time. So this is one of the limitation. Uh, these four simple prefetchers of the bucket of IPCP cannot predict these random accesses precisely. And another limitation is these graph traces are in general graph applications are TLB intensive. So we also observed that hit percentage is low in these TLB accesses. So we tried two ways to improve this hit percentage. One way is using the next line prefetcher in the STLB. So we have an improvement of 9.4 percentage on this on the baseline over baseline Chamsim on these 5 graph traces. And this improvement is shown in this graph, uh, and the geometric mean is also shown. So this has a considerable improvement in the Chamsim using this TLB. Uh, and then another method is using next to two lines prefetcher, like same as the next line prefetcher but with prefetch degree equal to 2. This has an average improvement of 10%, and this is depicted in this graph. So we can all using prefetchers in this TLB also are useful for this type for graph type applications. That's it. That's it for now. Thank you.